Section 4, Securing Server, Part 2. In this section, Cloudflare, routing the DNS records through Cloudflare. Let's encrypt, securing our SSL records. Failed ban, embedding a software-based firewall application. SSH keys, using SSH keys to add an extra layer of security. Listing edits, discover who did what edit and when. Cloudflare, routing DNS through Cloudflare. One of the solutions that we have in order to secure our domain name is to route through an MX service. Now, this will allow our attackers to ping a false IP address instead of the correct IP address. Cloudflare offers 4 different types of plans you can choose from. We can select their free account that is most ideal for personal websites and blogs. The next package on our list is worth $20 a month. Now, this would be for website professionals, in which requires a little bit more of basic level security and performance. Moving on, we now have their $200 monthly charge. This is most ideal for those running e-commerce setups, commercial-based websites, and others. And then finally, their enterprise level. You would have to contact them in order to determine the proper pricing. Setting up Cloudflare. First of all, you want to register for an account. www.cloudflare.com/a/sign-up. Add your website. Once you've registered for an account, go ahead and add your website. www.mysite.com. Confirm plan selection. You go with the free plan right now, or if you already have one in mind, go ahead and select that plan. Next, you want to set your DNS records. Type A, which is name:domain.com. Value, the IP address of the server you want it to point to, and then TTL auto, status on or off. Change the name savers. Now, this is in your domain registrar. Change the domain namers from the default to Cloudflare settings. It'll tell you what to change them to whenever you register your new Cloudflare account with your domain name. Wait for the name servers to take place, typically 2 to 24 hours, and let Cloudflare handle the DDoS attacks and the safety of your website. Alrighty, so Cloudflare, and then we can sign up. Alrighty, so let's create an account. Save the password. My site. So let me see what domains I have available. I'm just going to use a random domain that I've got. You know what? I got this one right here I can use. Alright, so www.socialx.org. Alrighty, so now I've got this set up. We're requiring your DNS records. So now I'm going to select my free package, confirm plan. Alrighty, so now I can have my socialhex.org point to a specific domain. Now this is where you go back to your server and you copy the IP address of that server and place it inside this box right here. Alrighty, and do the same thing for the bottom one too. Alright, so just leave that one blank, that's fine. Alright, click on continue when you're ready. Now, it's going to ask you to change your default domain status from what it's set to what it wants you to change it to. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and copy that first one. And here's my social hex, so I'm going to do my DNS. I want to change my name servers. Change it from default to custom. Enter name server number 1. And then my name server number 2. Once you have both those entered, click on Save. Some features may be unavailable while processing your updates. Some updates require confirmation. Please check your inbox for possible confirmation email. And then you wait. Once you have actually successfully updated your name servers, come back over here and then click on Continue. Alrighty. Website not active. DNS modification pending, which means that it is still waiting for GoDaddy to update the DNS records of my domain name. Now if I come down here, I can see my name servers are changed. Let's come over here and recheck the name servers. Social hex is recurring. Please check back in a few hours. Okay. Like I said, it could take 2 to 24 hours. It may take up to 24 hours after successfully changing name servers to new SSL certification package may be issued for your site.